Hello there. So I ordered some nitrile black gloves that I believe are two-layered. But I also have this. I ordered a 5-pound pack of, and I have a letter opener. But basically, I ordered 100 gloves that are going to, because like when you're taking apart phones, like you're probably not going to want to like deal with battery acid and whatnot. I mean, just a guess. So, yeah, I hope these fit. These aren't as good as the other gloves I had. I bought some at Lowe's. They had this spider on them, and like they were good. And so basically, this is the start of a new series that I think is kind of unique, where I'm buying phone lots off eBay. Like this is 5 pounds. It was about $60, but it's about probably 30 or 40 phones, old phones that don't work anymore. And I'm gonna do a video on each one of them, like the history of them, like how many they sold, and like basically it was just a mashup of like just a lot of old phones. So like doesn't have a battery. What the hell? Doesn't. I did this on my old channel with Gerard, but yeah. Well, hopefully that. What? What is that? I mean, the cool thing is since they took the battery out, I don't have to deal with that. But like, I don't know if my camera can focus on that, please. Can you focus on that? No, but it's like a construction phone or something. But then I don't have to worry about that. Like, I'm mainly worried about battery acid, so what? I guess this is the whole phone. It's an LG. Like it's just pure touchscreen. I don't even remember these. Flip phone. The color you're trying to reach. I mean, this kind of looks like a Motorola Razr, but model Samsung SCHR600. I mean, on their battery, they have the name and model of the phone. Oh, actually sent me a duplicate. I didn't want that. I miss these phones so much where they had the slide out keyboard. Those are so nice. Like, here's an antiquated feature. Do you see that? It's like a MP3 player built in. Like, I guess your music would appear right here. Like, that's a cool feature. I don't think they sent me any smartphones. Like at all. Like this is a slide out phone. They also sent me duplicates. They sent me a fair amount of LGs. Yeah. I love these where they have the antenna. Let's see. Kyocera. Made in China. Kyocera Wireless Group. 10P208B-08. But they didn't. They didn't send me any what the hell? They didn't send me any smartphones. Anybody know what that is? Motorola FCC ID IHD P56JX2. I've never seen a phone like that. That's crazy. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to order a smartphone lot because that's like flappy. What did they do to this? Did they like chew it? I mean, it's a Samsung, so it's not terrible. I think my brother had a phone like this, not this exact one, but yeah. So. Wow, they sent me one smartphone. So, funny story, two of my best friends from high school actually had one of these. Like, that's a good phone. Like, that's a hell of a smartphone. Like, what? It has a touchscreen. It has the mouse pad selector thing and a full slide out keyboard. Like, that's one thing I hate about all these new smartphones is I want one that gives you a slide out keyboard. Like, am I the only one that wants that? Like, I would love that. Flip out. Dude, these are crazy. Look at that. It's like a construction phone. Sonnen. Okay, so this one, it's like a built-in case. These are like construction phones. But yeah. I mostly got these stupid smartphones, but I'll still take them apart because as I'll pan at the end. Oh. Look at that. It's crazy. Oh, they took out the antenna. So what is that, like a speaker? Because it'd be like this. What? I don't know what that is. That's crazy. Okay. Just another slide out keyboard phone. I really like those. I've done tear downs of these myself, but it's been a while, so looks like I did get some cool. I wonder if they left the battery in some of these. Like, I've never I mean, I had a Samsung Galaxy, so I'm wondering if that's what this is, but like, I basically have to look up the, that's a cool phone. That's a cool phone. Here's a Motorola. It looks like they ripped off BlackBerry. I mean, like, you tell me. Ooh, isn't that cool? Mirror within a mirror within a mirror. Yeah. I'm really looking forward to doing a teardown of these Sonum. Because, like, before I got this phone, I was like, well, I want a phone that will, like, allow me to record, like, a video, like a gameplay video for, like, 5 hours. And I looked up, like, construction phones. Those things, some of them come with, like, a lifespan of, like, 10,000 milliamp hours. Like, even this brand new iPhone is 4,400, and everybody's like, yeah. So here's like the Samsung, kind of the same coloring, design philosophy-ish. And then kind of like a Motorola Razr. What I'm really interested in is the screens, because I figure you can do something cool with the screens. And then the memory, because the memory is still alive on these ish. But yeah, like that's like the screens are all scratched. This one is like, you see that crack? Yeah. So there's all the phones. There's some Pokemon cards I still need to unbox, but that's another video. Blah blah blah. But yeah, I'm gonna do a teardown of each of those phones. So yeah. I love these selfie sticks. Like, I bought this for like $10, and it's like the perfect recording device. So, yeah. I'm probably just gonna keep the screens, because I bought like a iPhone repair kit, and it comes with a lot of the screws for this to unscrew these. Like, that's the main problem I was running into. Like, we were kind of having to like leverage it and whatnot. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'm very excited to doing teardowns in the history of like these phones. So have a good day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.